like a minute.
Looks like some of y'all were pretty green today. I want to see when we review your trades. I want to see which ones y'all got in. Where y'all took
Yeah.
y'all's trades at.
All right. So the plan was to get them up, but we share our screen. Okay,
Yeah.
that's fine. Then I'm just gonna turn on my stream immediately
Yeah.
so we can review this.
All
Okay.
right, we gonna start right now. Zephy, you're good to start. We should be 1, 2, and 3. What up, boys? Welcome to tonight's daily review. We're gonna review some of these guys' traits, and it's actually for our free members too. Every single Wednesday, you guys can join in. And yeah, I'm gonna leave you with Shay and the live stream, and we're gonna get some people in, and he's gonna leave his stream today, and you guys can join in, and or you can just type in your trades and stuff, or you can just request to join. It's up to you guys. But yeah,
Bring some people up. Anyone want to come up?
yep. Anyone want to come up to start with, or
No
you guys
one?
could just type
Javin.
up can right
Can't?
now.
Okay.
Yeah,
Javin, get up.
let's get jabbing it. Yeah.
Even if you got dubs today, guys, we want to know
What's
about
up,
those.
guys?
Hello, Javin.
Yeah. Hold up.
How's it going?
What up, man?
So what's
Doing
up? What's
good.
up? Yeah,
Doing good.
had a good day, man. I traded the funded today and up about 1K on it, so I was stoked.
Nice.
Beautiful.
Going into the day, I was bearish. I was hoping we'd attack those kind of equal lows we left yesterday.
Yeah.
My first trade was a short at what was it, 11:30?
11:30. Right here. Oh, wait. Were you on NQ or yes?
Yes, my bad.
Yes. Yes. Okay. Yeah, me. Yes. That's fine. Right here. Do you see it?
Yep.
This
Yeah,
one?
yeah. So I got in right there once we started showing signs of rejection at the wick.
Yep.
I took my 20 tick TP,
Yep.
and then I was targeting previous cycle low, but didn't came back and stopped the rest out at break even. But
Previous cycle low. Right. Cool.
All
Yeah,
right.
because I know
So
we just finished.
I
So
can
go ahead.
yeah I can go over it. Yeah, because I took that trade too. I see where you had that, and this is like the perfect trade to take. In terms of our model and stuff. But the only thing is that Javin, whenever I told you yesterday, I think it was you, but whenever you take a trade and you trade against the institutional order flow, because my exit was like at the very bottom tick,
mhm,
that was my full
mhm,
exit. Now, whenever you trade against the institutional order flow, and then whenever you zoom out, you're not sure that you catch the SMR, or you catch the SMR, but not the high of the day, right? So,
yeah,
because if you did, that would have run. But whenever you trade it against the institutional order flow, now with that the purge that we had in the lows, that was a long, that was a perfect long actually. That was a better
gotcha.
long, the better
See?
setup, because we had a purge, and then that we had an SMT with the with NQ, and we just tagged a regular time frame key level, right? So
Yeah,
whenever you're in a trade, you gotta pay attention to these stuff whenever you're against the institutional overflow,
Yep.
right? You just gotta take
yeah,
whatever you're confident with, and then you leave.
yeah. That makes sense. I catch myself trying to catch like these home run reversal plays, and yeah, I got to just kind of zoom out to the 15-minute and just play with order flow. Yep.
Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly. Yeah.
Many of us took this in inner circle, and I
Uh,
wanna. I remember we've talked about this in a previous daily review. So I'm gonna go in the 15-minute now, because I want you to. Where's it? Was right here. These, these, right. So the
mhm.
first thing is identifying the price action before, right? So what can we see? We already had our 4-hour open low, and we traded higher.
Hmm.
No. So uh, we take out. You got to understand that the draw is still higher to at least these highs, maybe even this high. I think I was target. Yeah, we were talking this high. Never got it. But here's what I was telling you about. Remember how we spoke about when the institutional order flow is bullish, you don't want to try and either home run reversal, like you said, or catch a retracement and then go long, catch a retracement and then go long. Settle in with a continuation soup.
Okay.
Simple, right?
Yeah.
So this is like what your focus should be, right? Just go with the trend. Don't try to fight it because 9 out of 10 times you won't catch the reversal to get a big play, right?
Yeah.
And I mean, you catching this, I mean, pays you more than enough, right?
Totally.
Yeah. So again, focus on just going with the trend,
Yeah.
making it easier for you and your capital. No need to fight, um, the order flow like you did today. I mean, you did get the move, right? But compare it to what you could have gotten. Even though it's the wrong mindset, I don't think in terms of like, oh, how much money could I have made? I'm thinking in what type of quality move could I have gotten if I just align myself with the order flow instead, That's
Yeah.
what I want you to focus on.
That makes sense.
Yeah.
Yeah, I find myself. I think it's just like FOMO, kind of like I don't want to miss the whole home run down. But
Yeah.
yeah, it's a not the right mindset to have when you could just take these continuations left and right.
Exactly. So you don't want to short it when we have a high. How many handles? Like, yeah, a couple of handles above, right?
Yeah.
That's probably going to get taken. So what's going to happen with a big drop.
Yeah.
If we go down, we go up. Simple. So focus on that instead. And I think you can catch solid moves like this, man, all day. Saw them all day, here, here, here. Then they all paid more than their counterpart move, which was the retracement.
Yeah. That makes
So
sense.
never forget.
Right on. Well, my second trade I was a lot more happy with because it was with order flow. And I was confident after we tapped into that volume imbalance on the daily that we're kind of starting the sell side of the curve.
Okay, I'm just gonna remove some drawings. This one?
Yeah. So once we put in that high right in that volume imbalance there
Yep.
and started selling off, it was starting to be like strongly bearish. And then my other trade was at 2 o'clock, 2:07.
207. This is good. Yep.
Yeah, so it was a good little continuation suit, kind of riding that bearish trend.
Yep. So yeah, the lowers here, sell side here, basically equal lows. So you were targeting the downside, right? Now this
Yep.
is a lot better. Notice the more efficient movement you get, and it's just one switch, and it was going with the order flow.
Yeah.
SMR up here, shift in order flow. What are you gonna look for? Bearish. Take a short, and look at that, you get rewarded. Could you have got like some simple move like this long or this long? Yeah. But that was the same as you did here, right? And that's not what we want to do. Go with the order flow. Look at this. Beautiful move. That was a great
Yeah.
trade, Javin.
Cool. Thanks, guys. Appreciate what you guys are doing. So,
No worries, man. Do you got any more questions? Or is that okay?
yeah, that's it for me
Sounds
today. Thanks.
no worries. Take care, Javin.
All right, before we get these two people here, who's it? Cuddy asked, hold up, for this trade right here, he asked for 1134, and why would that be valid? What I always preach, Curry, right? Yeah, Cuddy is whenever we're in a trend. First of all, if you guys have a two miners, I want you to have the first one on the one, the second one on the 15, or even you don't even need the one until you find the right setup, right? So I want you to have at least the 15 minute on your right chart if you have two monitors and stuff. So whatever you do, whenever we have like a strong trend or strong order flow to the upside, is you don't want to cash the reversal. You want to cash the retracement or the retracement and then long it, right? If bullish. So now what you do is if you zoom out, if you're actually not stuck in the 1 minute, you need you're gonna go to the 15. You're gonna see the deferred rebalance on the 15, tapping the key level breaker with a BC right there, swooping
Unicorn.
the recent low, sweeping the recent low, and having SMT at the lows, at the lowest low with the YM, I think, or NQ, one of them, I think. Hold up, yeah, it was NQ at the lows. So from there, you just wait for the rejection block to form, or wait for reaction if you're not like comfortable taking it that high, because yeah, that was on premium, but depends on what range you're using, right? So from
Yeah.
there, using the higher time frame narrative, you're just gonna take the whatever we preach right there, and then as you can tell, wherever we teach you guys on the VIP, the time was there, and then the price was there, and then everything was aligned to actually take that, right? So that was valid for to write that one more time to the highs, right? Especially, I want you to think as a retail logic, right? Because once you see that strong momentum to the downside, retail will see that they're gonna short it, right? Whenever you see a strong move down or strong move up, it's like suspicious. It's suspicious to enter on, right? So you need to see every single rally, strong rally down, especially on ES. It happens a lot. Every single rally that happens, it usually fake. It's like a Judas to trap people in, and then trap the turtle soup traders or the soup traders who trade breakouts, and then smart money gonna load their bags at 11:34 and trade the turtle soup. So that was a very valid long, in my
Yep.
opinion. And you can see
Yeah.
whenever you
For
trade
sure.
the institutional order flow, you can see how much it ran, uh, or in comparison of that 11:30 short.
Yep. Yep. Unicorn, guys. Great pattern. You know.
Yeah,
So it's a strong signature. The unicorn. You guys wanna don't miss out on those. You know. You have so many conferences. You know. So yeah.
yep. Let's
Um.
get a room in here.
But this is why it was good long. You know.
Hello.
So let's get Rumen. What's good,
What
Rumen?
up, man?
What's good, guys?
How are you, man?
Yeah, good. How are you guys?
Doing well. Doing
Good. How
good.
was your day?
Yeah, decent. I took two trades.
Oh,
Um,
yeah.
yeah. I'll start with the first one. You
Did you use the
can.
5, by the way?
I
Five
used the
minute?
five. Yeah, for the first one.
Beautiful.
It was the 10:05 candle.
Yep. So
We souped that low. Yep. Then we had an
beautiful.
SMT with NQ.
Okay. So I'm just gonna draw it like this because I'm not
Yeah.
really entirely sure where it was, but yeah.
Yeah. That's fine.
Beautiful.
So I took this and pretty much zero drawdown. So I
Oh
scaled
yeah.
first at 20 ticks, and
Oh,
then I
really?
left.
Nice.
Yeah, and then I left. I run it all the way to 27.25.
27.
It
All the
was
way
it was
here.
like
All the way here?
yeah.
Ooh,
Big
that's
dog.
fire. Hey, that's a big
Although
move.
my stop was a bit looser on this because
Okay,
I did on the 5 minutes, so it was a
that's fine.
five point. Yeah,
Yep.
That's still good. Very good. This is beautiful, man. I love this. I
yeah,
remember we talked about this. Just
yeah.
literally, look at this. Look at the 5 minute, guys. I want you to pay attention to the 5 minute. Look at this. Now let me go into 1 minute. Look at all this noise, compared to
Yeah.
the 5 minute. So simple. So simple. Literally the same logic, just used in a way, used like in a very simple manner to make everything clean. And look what you get. 100 tick move on ES. You don't see that every day. So this is a great play, man. Love it. This was, best move today, obviously.
Yeah.
Yo, Roman,
Beautiful.
how long
Yeah.
you've been here for?
In the Discord.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let me see. I joined on the 16th of Feb.
Damn.
It's crossed like
Look
3 week
at you,
mark.
man.
Yeah.
You crazy, man. You catching these
Not even a
moves?
month.
Not even a
Not
month.
even a month.
Less than a month. Beautiful.
Yeah.
See?
To
See
be
that?
honest, for this trade I was very confident purely because previously I'm trading different strategies, of course. I'm
Yep.
still not 100% with this, but with like power speaking or like NFP or any of these stuff, I always wait in the beginning to wait for the manipulation move, and I was
Very
expecting
good.
this to happen pretty much.
Yep. Good. This is I mean, this is a display of good technical knowledge and good patience, good discipline. All you want in one package, and this is what you get, you know? Great move, man. I mean, there's not much to say to this other than beautiful. I mean, this was
Eh,
looks even better on the 5 minute compared to the 1 minute. Because I was on the
yeah.
1 minute when this move was happening. You know, it was a bit more messy. But wow, the 5 minute, amazing, bro.
Yeah, 1 minute I was probably gonna take the 10:06, but the five
Yeah,
minute just looked a lot cleaner. And
looks very
then
clean.
after this, I wasn't gonna take anything if it was on a real account because my thing would be one and done, obviously, especially with a big trade like this.
Yep.
But because on the demo I'm trying to practice a bit more. The next trade I took, even though I prefer ES, I took it on NQ because it just looked a bit more cleaner. If you go to the 1 minute,
On
that
ES or Sushenku?
on NQ if you can, please, because on ES it didn't look that clean for me at least.
Oh yeah, hold on. I can just do this.
Yeah, just do that.
Yep.
Go to the 1 minute. After that fat drop that we had at 130.
Yep.
Yeah, I souped that low to the left at one. I entered at 137 just as we were
Beautiful.
closing up.
Yeah, right there.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Great move, man. Great trade. I mean, where is your fill on this? Because this can be scary, you know. If
Well, my fit on this was literally I saw the 1036 candle. I saw it come down, but I didn't enter because I wanted to see how the next one would open, and I saw the next one open lower, and then as soon as I started to see it reject and start to move upwards, I entered,
Yep.
and my fill was uh, literally at the soup. It filled me in.
oh, great, beautiful
So
move,
like
man.
a bit higher. So my entry was at 60.75.
60 point
Yeah, right there.
right there.
Yeah,
Beautiful.
right there. Right there.
This is a great move, man. I mean, and you even waited because you know NQ can be a NQ can
Yeah.
moves a lot, very volatile. So I mean, yeah, you just wait for an extra confirmation. Doesn't hurt.
Yeah.
Maybe you
Yeah.
miss out on a few ticks, but you save yourself from a big stop or possibly getting stopped out. So I mean, great move, man.
Yeah, that's why I
Great trade.
waited on that one. So I took off on this trade. I took off half at equilibrium, and then the rest I got stopped at break even.
Very good move, man. Seems like it was a very
That's
good day for you, bro.
Yeah, that's the thing. Whatever I told you, Ruben. If you, 50% will always, or the CE or the like the equilibrium will always get hit. Like 90% of time, we're gonna come back to the equilibrium, right? So even
Yeah.
if you're wrong, you're gonna still make money from that. So that's why the only valid skill I would say is the equilibrium and then the short-term low.
No, I think he cut out at the end.
Yeah, it's all good.
It's fine. Short and low. Was that what he said?
Yeah, short term low.
Yeah.
What to?
Uh,
What do you mean short term low?
uh, Uzi as hold on. There might be some problems with his internet. You know, it happens.
Maybe he meant short term high.
Yeah, but you can. Yeah, but you can obviously you can take. You can always take this with him in DM. You know, if you got more questions. But I mean,
Yeah.
but I mean, good trade, man. I mean, just waiting for confirmation saved you so much. You know.
Yeah, it's
So I
NQ, so
mean,
it's a bit
yeah,
scary. That's why I had to
and
wait.
yeah, and you're being rational, right? You simply target equilibrium, you know, because we had this big move down, you know.
Yeah,
so
I
you don't
was.
expect it to come back up here. That would be very unlikely, you know. So just
Yeah.
quick trade to equilibrium, scale most there, and then you don't care about your runners. Very good, bro. Good trade management.
Funny. خلاص يلا.
Uzi, you here?
All right. Yeah, I'm here. Do you all trade live in this server? Nah. It's educational purposes only. We do presentations on the weekends. Yeah.
All right, that's for me. Yeah.
Yep.
I'll see you guys later. Thank you.
Yeah. Take care, bro.
Thank you.
Hey, before we go on, do you want to answer Nut's question about institutional order flow?
Let's do it.
All right, we got you.
Yeah, answer it on if you want.
Yeah, I got you. So Nuts had asked, sometimes he struggles to identify the institutional order flow. Let's say the 5-minute is obviously bullish, but price is now in a premium on the 1 hour. What do you do? Right? Because let's see what he says, because high time frame over low time frame, but I feel like the 5-minute often continues more. So I'm thinking he was confused with
Because we were
yeah, he was saying we were in premium on the 1 hour, but he was watching
Like-
the 5 hour, right?
talking about the
5
existing range we made right here.
Yeah, on
Something
the
like
1 hour.
this.
Yeah.
Probably something like this, I assume.
He says he struggles to identify the order flow, right? So with the order flow to like find if we're gonna continue bullish or bearish, I always watch the 4 hour and 1 hour and see what we did during London and what we did during the day before to find if liquidity was hit or not, if the target was hit. And then you're gonna try to find the next target, right? Um, the 5-minute you can use those for trades, but for telling the draw on liquidity, 5 minutes not as good.
Yep.
You know what I'm saying?
Yep. Stick to your high time frame to find where price is headed.
Yeah.
But
The
use the
daily
low
as
time
well.
frame for you, yeah. But use the low time frame for your entries. It should be a separation there, a nice little fine line between them.
That's
Sure,
guys.
got Jara was good.
Good.
How was your trading day?
Yeah, it was pretty good. Should I stream or?
I'm streaming. It's fine.
Yeah, all right.
Wait, where you enter?
I took a short at on NQ at 10:04 at the IRB.
Right here.
Eh,
I see. Yeah, this candle right here. Okay. Yeah.
and I took it to midnight open.
Midnight open. Let me add it.
Yeah.
This is on NQ or yes?
Yeah, I'm on NQ
Yeah,
right now.
NQ.
Oh, NQ.
Yeah.
Oh, shit. There it is.
I think it was midnight. Was it midnight or it was 6 p.m.? I don't remember. Yeah, no, it
Seems
was
like midnight.
Yeah, it was aligned. Like 6 p.m. and midnight was pretty at the same level.
Yeah,
Pretty
so just
much.
quick entry here.
Yeah.
What's your stop? Like something like this?
Above the candle.
Above the candle. This one?
Yeah. This.
Right here?
Yeah.
Okay. And you targeted just midnight open like this. Yeah. Seems solid. I mean, this is like you're getting the last piece of it, right? Because you've seen we're already started trading lower, and we took out all this buy side right here.
Yeah.
So we continue lower, and you see what do we got? We got all these equal lows,
Yep.
and it's obvious the price is gonna draw,
Yep.
to this level. So it's like you just want to get a quick piece of it, so you get an efficient entry, and you see a midnight that lines up. I mean, yeah. So, I mean, it's pretty solid. I mean, if you missed, then yeah, of course, this is what you want to participate in. So I mean, you're still using what we taught, just in a different style of trading. Still looks good, man.
I just I got up and I basically waited for news to drop.
Yep.
For Daddy Powell. And
Gotcha.
yeah. Then I took it.
But we just started trading lower, like continuing lower. So I mean,
Yep. Yeah, I took this on the eval I'm currently
Good.
on,
Good.
and then I stopped on the eval, and I took 2 other trades
Yes, thank you.
on paper on ES, and when was it? Hold on. The first one was at 14:07, 2:07 p.m.
Oh, same as Javin.
Yep.
Right here. Turtle soup.
Yep.
Simple.
Beautiful.
Draw is lower.
Yeah, but I took it off pretty early. I took it off
Huh?
at the what was this low 45, somewhere in there, like to the left,
45.
45 1:45 p.m. Yeah, there 40 48 49.
Oh, you
Somewhere in
took it
there.
off right here? In here?
Yeah, yeah, at that
Right.
external low.
Right. Yeah, right here. Right here.
Yep. Yep.
I mean, still pretty solid. I mean, if you honestly, I think it's fine to take it off there, you know?
Yep.
It's not, let's look at it like this. You're not required to target all the lows right here, you know?
Yeah.
Because at the end of the day, you don't know how far we'll reach, right? I mean, maybe,
Yep.
yeah, you could anticipate this, of course, but playing it safe, catching a small piece again, you know, you clearly like, or bearish overflow, we switched, obviously, we started attacking all this. So, I mean, yeah, you just wait for continuation, efficient delivery, good trade, man.
Yeah, I think
It was a good trade.
Yeah.
yeah, thanks, man. I think we didn't even like catch the low R, did we? Like
This one?
yeah, it did
No, we never took it.
rejecting blow, right?
Yep.
Yep.
Never.
Yeah, that was this short, and I took another. It was really awful, really disgusting.
Okay.
I think it was at 2:31, 2 p.m. 31
This short?
on ES. Yep. Yeah, there. Yeah, and my target was like
This
I
probably.
expected the daily candle to close bearish, so I
Mm-hmm.
targeted it midnight open again.
Midnight open. So we had like midnight open, like, yeah, right here.
Yeah, but it
Basically.
didn't hit. It didn't hit. It didn't hit.
No, never came down. Yep.
Yeah, it was just chopping around,
Okay.
and I got out of break even, like
Oh,
right at market close.
right here?
Yeah,
Or no,
right at
did you hold it to market close?
market close at
Oh,
4
really?
p.m.
Okay. Yeah. Right. Yeah, kind of a chop fest, you know.
Yeah,
I get why you targeted this, but if I look at the others, yeah, you can see YM was already down there, you know.
yeah. I looked
See
at
this?
NQ, and it was really close to hitting midnight open.
Yeah.
That was like one of my
Okay.
targets as well.
Yep. I see it. Yeah. I mean, it's yeah, kind of a rough move to be in,
Yeah,
but I mean, the first half is it's not too bad, you know. But when we see this, like, oh shit, like slowly, then boom, we explode, right? So it's kind of like after you see this one and this one and this one, and we're like fail to trade lower, you could probably consider taking something off or just closing it. You know?
yeah. It was just paper, and I
Yeah,
was
of
like,
course.
it was one con, so I couldn't partial
Yeah,
or
yeah,
anything.
I get it. It's fine. It's fine.
Yeah,
Those
man.
your
That's
those
it.
your trades. All right.
Yeah. You have any tips for me?
Tips for you. I got tips for you in VIP, bro. Not here.
Yeah, right.
All right, bro.
All right, man.
You can
Just
you can get down now.
all right, guys. See ya.
Take care, bro. Do we have any more else? Okay. Doesn't seem like we have anyone else who wants to come on. You posted yours, Mullah? Oh, there it is.
Also, Kubo posted his trade. We can
Oh,
check it out
shit.
afterward or before. Doesn't matter.
Cool. Yeah. Draw the conferences. Oh, what's this? Okay, 50-minute FAG. Oh no, 1-minute order block.
Trying to find the
Targeting
time.
this. Hold on. Okay, I'm gonna. Was that? Is that ES? That looks like ES. No, wait. That's NQ, isn't it?
I think so.
Thank you. Yeah, yeah. All right. So we're gonna go through Molas and those, but Kubo first.
Kubos.
Let me.
You're gonna go
hop
over
on
yours,
this.
Shay?
No, we don't go. We're not gonna go through our trades today. I think.
Look over Kubos real quick and Mulah's next.
Yeah. Hold on.
Yeah, all right.
Why is my chart lagging like this? I think it's because of the stream. The fuck. My chart is kind of tripping. Ani, can you?
Trying to find it. I think his entry was at
Oh, it's fine now. What was the entry?
11:03.
Oh. Oh yeah, but NQ.
Yeah, NQ 11:03.
Right here. Oh yeah. Okay. Did we have? Yeah. And what was your confluences you said? Let me see. 15-minute order block. And the other 1-minute order block right there. IFG. So you waited for us to trade through the IFG after we tied the order block. Retest of the IFG and you target the fair value gap. The 50-minute fair value gap on the sell side. Looks good, bro.
Yep, 50% of that
Yeah.
small range right there. Traded against institutional order flow. It's good to get out at that 50% mark.
Very good. Yeah, good. Nice. Good use of your PD arrays and everything. I mean, yeah, smart. Let me see.
Find this.
Mola. Yeah, there was SMT there as well. At the highs, like right here, there was SMT. ES took this.
Yep.
So it was kind of like this, you know. But we're gonna go through Molas as well. Fill if we seen we were in a premium going with tapped into previous swing low. There it is. What's this? This was in Q. Right here.
Yeah, small breaker.
Breaker right here. I didn't exactly see your stop. Let me. Oh, just right above the. Yep. Breaker here. How long did you hold it? Yeah. To the. It's like right here somewhere. So yeah, you had your breaker. You had your clear displacement. Right? Displacement. So we're expecting price to go lower. Okay. Got all this sell side generated right here. So it's a small retrace back into the range, like to the equilibrium basically, after we've traded lower. Yeah, unicorn. It's a unicorn. Again, SMT, you had a lot of structure to work with. So, I mean, very solid move, bro. Look at this efficient price action, you know? Why? You wait for displacement, wait for the market to tip its hand, you know? By this, right?
In premium of the range as well.
Beautiful. You wait for premium, you know? So, good stuff, Mullah. Yeah, we had to fill some of that, obviously. It's a big imbalance, you know? So, some of it's gonna get filled, obviously. We can't just leave this behind. How do you do stop that tight? Mullah, do you want to answer that? Because this was your trade. I would be scared. YOLO. Is that what you do, Mullah? Just fuck it.
Hey, we're gonna answer Sam's question real quick.
Yeah, I really didn't want to risk a lot. Sam.
Yeah.
Just for a question for you guys. I have a hard time trying to do too much trade both sides. Any thoughts?
said-
Okay. You want to give your thoughts?
Yeah,
Or
yeah. So he said that he was correct twice today, but overthought it and switched sides. Sam, what you need to do is it's good to have your if you're gonna go short or long bias, right? You want to take your trades that you believe are like say if you're bullish, take your trades going long. Okay, and you know the criterias for it. You know the macro, you know the times, you know the discount premium. And if you're wrong, you want to find out why. It's as simple as that. You don't have to switch and go long and short. Okay, because sooner or later, you being wrong enough, you're gonna learn why this happened, and then you're gonna start being correct. Like you're gonna start flipping to being correct most of the time.
yep.
Um, you don't have to trade both sides. Like say if you lose a long, you don't want to immediately go short, right? Because you could have just got stopped.
Exactly.
You want to first find out why, then you're gonna fix it. Then later on, you're gonna come and you're gonna be correct more of the time because you obviously journaled why you were wrong on the high
Yep.
time frame. That's how you just got to do it.
Yeah, yeah.
Try
So
not to
so
switch too much, you know.
exactly. One loss, Sam, is not going to invalidate your drawn liquidity and your bias, you know? This happens to the inner circle. We might enter a little bit too early, or our timing might be off, you know? But it's fine, we stick with our bias, we just wait for signs to show us to enter again. This happens to everyone. I mean, so don't instead of letting a small loss invalidate your bias on the higher time frame, let it tell you that, okay, maybe it's too early to enter now. Let me wait a little bit and then try again. That's better to try, give it one more try,
Yeah.
than
Switching.
going short. Yeah, switching. You know, when people say, oh, I give myself three trades before I call it a day, they don't take one short because they're bearish and then go two longs because the short didn't work. They tried like three different shorts first. That's what they do, because they stick with their high time frame institutional order flow and they have a narrative and they know where they want to see price go. So they're not gonna let a loss invalidate it. You know,
Yep.
um,
We got
it
Campish
happens. You know, yeah,
next.
Campish.
Yeah.
Uh,
He's asking, what did you guys study from ICT? I'm way behind y'all on my trading journey.
um, uh, no worries, Sam. Yeah, Campish. I mean, I can tell you what I studied. I studied obviously 2022, but 2022 isn't really all that. I would say that most unprofitable ICT traders only studied 2022. If you really want to understand ICT, it's the core content. Personally, for me, the core content changed my game, and it's the best trading guides slash manual ever created.
Yeah.
So yeah, core content is definitely probably the way to go. If you've not studied it already, it's boring and it's long. I mean, it's just boring, but it's long. I'm gonna say, and it's might be very tiring at times, but it is very good, and you learn a lot. Have you watched all months? Yes, watch all months. All 12. It's 12 months. It might take some time. Yeah, 12 months. I finished mine in around 2 months, I think. Yeah, took me like 2 months to watch everything. Um,
Yep.
you could probably watch it faster. I mean, depends, you know. But yeah, I used around 2 months. Um, but it's a very good manual. So study the core content. He's got some gems in those. If you look,
Oh yeah, and Campish, yeah, like Zephy said, we have plenty of daily reviews that we have done in the past for our VIP, and we go over deeper concepts. You can also learn yeah, that's for the VIP. But
yeah,
yeah, we go
yeah,
over a lot of stuff in there.
yep.
We do use ICT concepts, but mostly time and a lot of other things as well. You can
It's
find out about.
yeah. We used ICT concepts as a tool to find out secrets about the marketplace that really gives us an edge. Um, Shay, were you even able to memorize all the information if you want? Oh yeah, nuts. I have everything written on, so I just remember it. I have like, I went through like 7 notebooks or something. You were in VIP, but got kicked out for some reason, I think. Maybe you
Probably.
were in the free, maybe? Trial? Yeah. I took notes on paper. I do it old school. I take all my trading notes on paper. Kempish, I actually have a notebook with Beam and I trade. I just like when it's like from hand to brain.
Hmm.
I just feel like it. I learn faster. I learn better, more efficiently. But yeah, Kempish, we're looking forward to having you, bro. We'll help you in all the ways we can, and the community is great. We got we've got so many independent traders. You know how there's with like other discords, there's like many people whose signal bot and are relying on the creators to trade for them and just give them signals. Um, not here. Our goal is individuals. Yeah, and everyone is taking the same trades because we taught them concepts and things that work. And I think people can vouch for that, you know. They know it works. Everyone's banking. Yeah, it is a good community. It's welcoming. You know, we got a good balance of everything. Second funded. Look at them. Look at Kubo. I mean, Jara's on a winning streak. Billy's killing it. Wait till we meet Nemi. Hold on. Do you guys have any more questions, by the way? What's good, Billy?
All right. No, I think that was it for the free members. We can review our trades on the VIP. Any? What do y'all think? Ah, man.
TT, it's good. It's not a bad server.
No, no, it's
Uh,
fine.
I was there. I've been a part of it. It's a good um it's a good place to lay a foundation and venture off on your own to more advanced areas.
Like this. But yeah, any
Yep.
last questions before we end the session, boys? No, sir. No, sir. All right. That will be it for the free members. We're gonna do a trade breakdowns. Me, Ani, and Che on the VIP. So yeah, that will be it for you guys today. And we're gonna see you next Wednesday on the free, the same channel.
Justin.
And
Oh,
yeah, see
sorry.
you, boys.
See ya.
Justin or DJ? Zephy, bro.
Hmm.
All right.
See ya.
I'll talk to you guys.
See ya. See ya.